Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Chrome's inbuilt password manager as well as autofill. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile, then move, as you can see here, the three dots. Go to settings. As you can see in the last settings, select settings, then move to autofill and passwords. As you can see here, autofill and passwords. Go to here. Now, as you can see, there's three options: Google Password Manager. Move to Google Password Manager, then turn on Offer to Save Passwords. As you can see here, my different website which I use and my password save automatically on a Google Chrome Password Manager. Now, Chrome will ask if you want to save password whenever you to log in. Just to turn it on, and you can also make a shortcut for Google Password Manager. It will show up here something like this if you add shortcut key. Now to view save or saved password, just go to the website and it will show the password as well as your uh, sign in username. Now moving to our Chrome's autofill for passwords. uh, for checking it, you have to go to settings again. Move to settings. Now you can see autofill and password. Now just go to payment methods. Now add a credit debit card. It's Chrome encrypts it for security. At checkout, Chrome will autofill payment details. Now, whenever you are buying something on any website like Amazon or Flipkart, it will automatically fill your payment details, and you will don't have to put it again and again whenever you are buying something or any stuff. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to use Chrome Password Manager and autofill like a pro. Let me know in the comment section if you used it, and subscribe for more tech tips.